So, ladies and gentlemen, hindi, hindi ko na po siya alam. Hingi na tayo ng tulong kay YouTube Sensei. Konnichiwa, what's up, everyone? And welcome back to my channel. New to this channel, don't forget to like this video after watching it, and also you could leave a comment down below, and most importantly, please do hit that subscribe button. It's that red thing that you can see for sure. Please subscribe. Please. Thank you. Anything else? Disclaimer. This is just purely unboxing video. Okay? I don't have the technical knowledge. Wala po akong kaalaman tungkol sa mga MacBook Pro, about MacBook Pros. Yeah, so finally it came after ordering it like almost last month, I think. Yeah, I think I ordered it last month. So, ngayon, eto na po siya. Dumating na po siya. Hawak ko na siya at i-unbox ko siya. So, samahan niyo ako. Okay? Ready? Come on. So, last month, I decided to order this from Apple Store. Hindi ko naman nakalaing natatagal pa ng isang buwan because I thought Japan has a lot of Apple stores. We have one in Tokyo. Pero, eto nga, umabot na isang buwan. Apparently, galing pa siya ng China. So, kanina pagtanggap ko sa kanya, inisprayan ko siya ng alcohol because, you know, we just want to make sure. Yeah? So, come on. Let's do this. Let's unbox it. I don't know where to open it. Why do I have a cutter? Oh, you can put it from here. So, ASMR. You like that? Okay.
Wow!
Okay. Hi. Before anything else, since we just opened it, I think it's safe to sprinkle this with alcohol because, you know, we don't know where it exactly came from, just to be on the safe side. Yeah. So, ito na. Spray natin siya at baka mamaya ay lalo galing to ng China. So, ayaw naman nating mag-insinuate o magsabi ng kung anong masama, pero mainam na yung safe. Hi! Ito na siya. The 2020 MacBook Pro. So, ito yung latest na version this year. Hindi ko alam kung kailan siya ni-release, pero basta siguro 2020 kasi 2020 yung year eh. Baka 2020 nga. So, ayan. Open na natin. Excited na ako. First is ito. Satisfying. Yeah. This plastic thing. Okay. Nice. And then eh? How do you open it? Ito na siya. Okay. So I think we have to lift this thing up. I got the 13-inch version because so next time when you're vlogging, make sure that you charge your camera. Because daldal ako ng daldal, bigla na lang tumiklop. Ayun, wala na palang charge. I think I was saying something about why I chose this one over the 16-inch. It's because hindi naman ako heavy user, hindi rin ako professional user ng MacBook Pro. So, normal normal citizen of the world lang ako. So, sa akin, okay na to. Tsaka masyado nang mahal yun. Tayo sa normal, sa saktuhan lang. Of course, we have the USB cable. I think this one. Paperworks. Who reads them? I don't know. Maybe I'll read it later. The adapter. USB-C power adapter. Okay. Wala na siyang laman. Kahit ano. In the mga sulat-sulat. Okay, so these are all the contents of the package. Main unit. And then you have the things, you know. Ang babasahin, paper things. USB-C adapter and also the cord or cable. So let's open it. Another satisfying sound. Okay. Wow. For someone like me na medyo hindi maingat sa gamit, I think I have to buy a protective case or a cover or something for this because siguro baka prone siya sa scratches. So, kailangan ko ng ganun. Once you open it, it will open. Kidding. I don't know, I forgot. It's open. So, it's already starting to open. English. Meron ba dito? Ay! Nagsasalita. English. So, ladies and gentlemen, hindi ko na po siya alam kung paano gagawin ko. Na-stuck na ako dyan. So, hingi na tayo ng tulong kay YouTube Sensei. Currently, ito, titignan natin kung paano siya i-set up for beginners like me. Total beginners because I don't know how to do it. So, tignan natin kung paano. Okay? Diyan lang kayo. Okay. So, I think it's because I'm not reading the instructions. I think now I know how it works. So, apparently, I have to use, kailangan ko itong gamitin yung tab button. So, unlike any other PCs na ginamit ko before because I've always used Windows, and this thing, I'm brand new to using MacBook. So, I'm not really knowledgeable and I don't know. Hindi ko talaga alam to. Bongo talaga ako dito. It's the first time ko to. Finally, I was able to set it up somehow. Or, I think, the initial setup at least. So, tiring. Hey Siri, show my downloads. Hey Siri, show my downloads. Yeah. Oh. Hey Siri, what's the weather? Dami naman. Hey Siri, what does the rest of my day look like? Ay, salamat. Matagal naman ni Siri. Yeah, so thank you so much for watching this video. I do hope you liked it. Leave some comments down below about if you are a MacBook user. Share some of your ideas about how to use it. Using it on your vlogs or whatnot, productivity and all those sorts. So yeah, let me know so at least I can have a better idea. Don't forget to like this video, share if you want, maybe. Or just please also make sure to subscribe. Hit that subscribe button. Thank you so much and see you next time. See you in my next video. Bye bye. Bye bye you. Bye bye you.